aka Little Lady C. Today I'm with my cousin Sienna and my friend Khenrich. And today we're going to be doing the Zuru Tangle Tongue Twister Challenge! Yeah! So thank you Zuru Toys for sending me these tangles. I really love them and I'm gonna play with them. So let's open them! Yeah, let's open them! Just peel it, peel. Oh my gosh. Extra layer. There are 4 different styles.
I've got metallic and it's smooth and one colour.
So I got classic and it's lots of different colours and it's still smooth. I love it. I got crazy and there's a lot of colours and it's even different textures. Also got sparkle, which is one colour and different textures. You could be creative and split them all apart and put them back together again. I'm making mine into tiny pieces. I made a halo for my head and 3 rings. 1, 2, and 1 more, 3. I got a necklace to put in my neck. I put in an S for my initials.
I made a clown and a heart shape. Like the heart shape.
Now that we've unassembled everything and put them back to what they were, we're going to be doing the Tongue Twister Challenge! Woo! Yeah! So let's get started.
Okay girls, in front of you you've got a piece of paper.
Yes.
And you've picked a number. What's your number, Sienna?
3.
What's your number, Chelsy?
2.
What's your number, Khenrich?
1.
When you turn over the paper, what I want you to do is say the tongue twister that corresponds to your number. Yes?
Yes.
I don't know.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Turn the paper around.
We're going to time it now. Ready, Chelsy? Yes. 3, 2, 1, go. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a better butter, and it was better than the butter Betty bought before. And stop. 14 seconds. So since we have our tangles here, I'm going to try to beat my record 14 seconds by using this tangle because they say that this helps you concentrate. So let's do it. Ready, Chelsy? Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter. So Betty bought a better butter and it was better than the butter Betty bought before. 9 seconds. She definitely beat the record. Wow! High five! Boom! Okay, one more time. Boom! Ready? Now it's Khenrich's turn. Boop. Ready, Khenrich?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go!
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, that was 18 seconds.
Oh.
Now try with your tangle. Ready, Khenrich?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, action!
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Okay, 1 second below, but 17 seconds!
Well done!
High five!
High
five! High five! Okay, it's Sienna's turn. 3, 2, 1, go! She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely seashells. So if she sells shells on the seashore, I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Okay, 18 seconds. Okay, well done. I'm gonna do it this time, but with the tangles. Let's do it. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells that she sells are surely seashells. So if she sells shells on the seashore, I'm sure she sells seashore shells. Okay, 14 seconds, and that was an improvement by 4 seconds. Okay.
So girls, that was really good, what you did earlier. But now, we're going to do something more difficult.
Whoa! So if you win, you get to choose which ones you get to keep out of all of them.
Even these ones.
Yeah, even these ones.
So turn your pieces of paper around.
What?
And so for this challenge, you can actually use the tangles. Yep.
Yay!
Because it's supposed to help you concentrate.
Okay.
Ready?
Sienna first. 2 totally tough toy tongue twisters taught thrifty throngs to tangle and tried twist twice to tie 20 times the twangle. 40 seconds. 2 totally tough tongue twisters taught 30 throngs to tangle and tried twice to tie 20 times the twangle.
13 seconds.
It was
2 totally tough toy tongue twisters taught thrifty throngs to tangle and try twist to tie 20 times the twangle.
12 seconds.
second round now, and the first one is Khenrich, then Sienna, then me.
Fixing frosty fangles tied twice tightly to strangle a fad jangle, then 12 tweaked turns trying to twist 2 tangles.
14 seconds.
My turn. Fixing frosting fangles tied twice tightly to frangle and frangle. Then 12 tweak turn trying to twist 2 tangles.
13 seconds.
Oh my, I beat you by 1 second. Fixing frosty fat frangles tied twist tightly to frangle at fragile. Then look 12 tweets turned trying to twist 2 tangles.
16 seconds.
Oh, one more tongue twister.
And ready?
I want to go fast.
Oh.
Cookie tangles cause classic clamoring calamity while twangling and tangling, churning cheery and chazzle.
11 seconds.
Oh!
And go.
Cookie tangles cause classic clamoring calamity while twangling with tangling and cheering cheery tangles.
Ooh, 12 seconds.
Okay.
Cookie jungles caused classic clamoring calamity while twangling with tangles and cheering cheery tanglers.
12 seconds.
So since I won, I'm going to take this one and yeah, I'm going to keep it. My turn. Okay, I think I'm going to take the gold one. And Khenrich, I'm going to pick this one. Yay! So we all have our favorites. So we have a few left and we may use them in another video. So thank you Zuru Toys for giving me these tangles. I really enjoyed playing with them and it's actually kind of true that they make you actually think faster.
So girls, did you enjoy this challenge?
Yeah! So thanks for watching. Please subscribe or comment down below if you want to see another video. And like. Bye! Oh my gosh! It's finished! Tug of war!